All right, I have a good news for you. Anthropic is providing a pre-certification that is Claude Certified Architect, and it is free for first 5,000 partner company employees. So please follow along this video. Please do not skip this video, otherwise you will miss the important update. Or so the first things first, you got to use your company email address, right? Otherwise, you might miss this. Secondly, there are free courses as well. If you complete this, right? If your company is a partner and you complete this course, you'll get the certificate of completion as well. And some of these are the prerequisites as well for the certification. So if you look here, register free, right? So there are lots of free things here to learn, and all your basic ABC questions are already answered in FAQ section. Like what are the prerequisites, right? Here are the mentioned. It's already there. What you got to do and who's the certification, right? If your organization isn't a partner, what you can do? Apply to become a partner. So you got to notify your HR or any concerned person who's dealing with the technical training part. They will help become a partner, then it will be available to you. So is there any cost? No, it's free for first 5,000 partner, right? Exam cost $99, but it will be free. Do I get a badge? Yes, you'll get a badge who pass the CAF, the exam code. You can share it on LinkedIn as well, it's mentioned. So that's what it goes. You got to register for the exam, download the exam guide, right? If you are want to prepare the syllabus. So here you got to sign in using your company email address. You got to be using, please do not use your college or Gmail or Yahoo Mail personal email ID, won't be taken into consideration. So you got to, if you don't have an account, you got to click in sign up. So there we go. We got to fill this up. All right. After signing in, if you're a partner, so you'll be able to see this, right? You got to click on start learning. It's 0%. 2 lessons are there. And there we go. We got to click on start and it will start. So that's what it goes. So please do share this video with your friends and colleagues so that it can help them in getting Claude Certified Architect for free. And please subscribe to this channel because I regularly update videos related to high paying IT certification, which will boost your IT career.